Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So today onwards, I'm going to start a new series in API automation using REST Assured with Java. So this would be a great course and I promise you that after watching or completing this course, you don't need to watch other videos or you don't need to buy other paid courses because it's a complete course from zero to hero, from scratch to expertise. So let me talk about what will be the course curriculum. So it will be consist of different modules. So let me talk about what will be going to cover in this module. So in first module is introduction of API testing, where I'm going to talk about what is API and what is API testing, what is the importance of API testing in automation industry, and what is the introduction of REST assured and SOAP API. So where I'm going to talk about what is REST API, what is SOAP API, what are their architectures, and what are the similarities, what are the benefits and usage of these two APIs. Third is common API terminologies in architecture. So here I'm going to talk about what will be the common terminologies that are actually using in industry and what will be the architecture of a rest assured. Why rest assured? Because I'm going to cover rest assured in this course. Second module, I'm going to talk about what is rest assured. Where I'm going to talk about exactly what is rest assured, what is architecture, how exactly we are using is setting up rest assured, understanding rest assured syntax. Third is working with HTTP requests. So here actually I am going to work with the exact HTTP request, that is get, post, put, delete, patch request, where we're going to talk about how to hit get, call, post, call, put, delete, patch calls using SSO. In fourth module, we're going to validate the response. So we're going to see a lot of validation techniques that how exactly we're going to validate the response code, response body, some JSON responses, how to validate headers and cookies, advanced response validations consist of multiple things like how to validate exact exact data inside the JSON value, or you can validate any information like schema validation we can check. And fifth module is authentication and authorization APIs. So we are going to talk about what is authentication and authorization and how many types of authentication we are going to use in rest assured, like basic authentication, beer token, API key authentication, advanced authentication, auth 1.0, 2.0. So we're going to talk about in detail that how exactly authorization works, and we're going to see this in practical as well. In sixth module, we're going to talk about automating API tests with SSO. So in sixth module, we're going to set up a framework using REST assured TestNG, and we're going to create a complete project. We're going to see how exactly we're going to work in the live project and how things works in the industry. And we're also going to see test reports and logging, how to use logging and all, how to use data-driven method, how to use how to pass data use in the schedule. And six will be the live project. So we're going to create a small or a crisp 10 to 12 APIs framework and project. We are going to upload this in the GitHub so you can easily download it and check the things. So this will be the course curriculum. So I hope you like the video and we'll connect in the next video. And I'll promise you that you will love this.